This is a tip on cleaning your seat post out. I'm going to put a pretty good quality seat post in. This is actually from an exercise bike from a Schwinn. Very long and heavy duty, thick walled. 13/16 is the old Schwinn. But this frame was pretty rusted up. So you could use a round file, which doesn't do too bad, but it's not real even. This didn't need much cleaning up. So I've used in the past as just a brake wheel cylinder hone. So this is an automotive deal, or just anything that's got a wheel cylinder for drum brakes. This is what you used to use in the old days when you actually rebuilt cylinders. And it's tensioned, so you can put more tension on the arms. These are on, I think, Amazon. They're a Leslie tool. It's an automotive tool. You might even find them possibly in an automotive store, but I doubt it. I purchased this a long time ago. I just put on the drill or a die grinder, spray a little penetrating oil down the seat tube, slide the hose down, shove a rag down in, clean it up, or put more penetrating oil down there. The one thing you want to be mindful of is if you are cleaning this out and you do put debris down here, you're just going to wash it down to your bottom bracket. There is a hole through here. When they braze these up, they do have gas, you know, to relieve. You'll see holes in your around some of your frames, but internally there will be a hole there. So you just don't want to wash a bunch of stuff down into your bottom bracket. And my seat post fits nice and easy down in there, and always grease them. You know, some type of anti-seize or grease, especially steel, aluminum, dissimilar metals, that seize up. But that's all it is a Leslie wheel cylinder hone.